Hello guys, welcome to the drivers channel. So it's another trading day and welcome to this bull market scalping strategy. And this strategy right here is one of the strategy you can use to make money trading the bull market crash. Even if you have small account like $5 account, $10 account, 20, $50 account, you can still use this strategy to grow that small account. Okay. So one of the things that one of the message I always see is that people telling me that not all the time they was able to catch 50 or 100 candles. Yeah, that is how trading works. Not every time you're going to be catching that 150 candles. Sometimes you might catch just 10 candles and then you close that position and wait for another opportunity. Now better better opportunity will come ahead. So just have to stick with some small candles, then you go from that to a bigger one. So that is how trading really works. Okay, so with this strategy I guarantee you can have 50 candles, other candles, but sometimes the trade might give you 20 to 10 candles. Just take it and then close your positions. Okay, small wins is better than loss. Now if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. So with that being said, let me show you guys the settings of the strategy, then we dive into how the strategy works. Okay, or let's do it this way. Let's first talk about how the strategy works, then we dive into the settings. Now the line you are seeing right here is the alligator line. Both the lines alligator lines. Okay, so they are alligator lines, and what you are seeing right here is the stochastic oscillator lines. That is the indicator we are going to be making use of. Now let me show you guys the current price move. Let me show you guys a trade right here. Now if you count this trade right here, you can see that it's more than uh 50 candles. It's more than 50 candles. That is some type of trades that sometimes occur in the price. Now how are you going to be able to catch this move right here? It's very simple and it's very straightforward. Now you are seeing this line right here. Now the first thing you want to monitor is your indicator window one. And what do you want to see on your indicator window one? We are trading on boom, so we are going to be looking uh for sales. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that you wait for this alligator line, this two line right here, the green and the red line, to come straight to the 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator. When it gets to the 85 levels of stochastic oscillator, then we are not going to wait for the line to cross, for that two line to cross below the other the other alligator line, which is the blue line. Okay, when it cross below it, then look into your main chart and you want to see the same thing that happens on your indicator window one must happen on your main chart. And what is that? Is that you want to see that the green line cross below the blue line. Now once they cross below each other, that is not, you're not going to enter your trade immediately. Okay, you're not going to enter your trade immediately, and you have to wait for some confirmation. And what is that? Is that you zoom out, so you zoom in, you zoom in and look for something we call 5 candles pattern. Okay, which means that you want to wait for the price. Once a candle close below the blue line, once a candle close below the blue line on the main chart, then you wait for another 4 more candles before you now jump into a trade. Sometimes you might wait for another 5 candles before you now jump into a trade. Now this is way you're going to be entire your trade. With this candles or this candle right here, that is the candle you're going to be entire your trade with. So that is how the strategy works. Okay, so let me go to crash to show you guys more examples. Now for the zoom level, if you want, before I forget, for the zoom level, so when you zoom out completely, just have to zoom in twice. Then that is the zoom level you are going to be using. So let's go straight to crash. So I can show you guys more trade here on crash. Now let me show you guys another trading example. And this is another trade right here. You can clearly see that this move right here is more than 200 candles. It's more than 200 candles. I have already told you guys, the better opportunity, the higher chance of winning better trades. Okay, so this is another trade right here. This is another trade right here. Now same thing applicable with same rules. First thing you want to see is that you want to see that both the green and the red line come straight to the 15 levels of the RSI, when of the stochastic oscillator. Sorry, when you come to the stochastic oscillator, so 50 levels of stochastic oscillator, you want to see that the line cross each other before it cross the blue line. So once this happens, once this happens right here, these two things happen, then you look into your main chart. And what do you want to see in the main chart is that you want to see the same thing that happens on your indicator. The one must happen on your main chart, which is that you want to see that the green line cross above the blue line. And you cross above it, then you zoom out and look and count 5 candles after the candle that cross above the blue line. Count 5 candles and then your entry will be at this area. Okay, so when you enter a trade, then your targeted area should be to depends on you. So that's how the strategy works. Okay, so let me show you guys settings of the strategy. Now, to add the settings, click on this F icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on it, the first indicator we are going to be adding is the alligator, and that the way that this up, we click on this F icon at the top. So when you click on it, then you search for your alligator and click on it. Now for the stochastic, for the alligator, the J period is 14, J shift is 5, this period is 5, this shift is 4, leaves period is 4, leaves shift is 3. Method is method apply to median price. For the style, use any color of your choice. Now remove this teeth color, remove it. Okay, and add the leaves and the Joe's period. Then click on save. So once you do that, then you're going to have your alligator in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the stochastic oscillator. So how do we add this up? We click on this F icon at the top again, and search for stochastic oscillator and click on it. Now for stochastic oscillator, the K period is 1, the T period is 2, the slowing is 1, price speed is low and low slash high. Method is simple. And for the levels, we need 15 and 85 levels. Then go back and make sure you set up style as your background color. Then click on save. Then you have your stochastic oscillator in your chart. Now for the last indicator, which is also the alligator, click on this F icon right here, search for alligator and click on it. Now the alligator that's in our main chart should be the same as the alligator on our indicator window 1. Now this time around, we are going to be adding the teeth period. Okay, the teeth style. Then we click on save. So that is how the strategy works, and that is settings for the strategy. So if you have any question concerning the strategy, don't forget to contact us on Telegram or contact us on WhatsApp. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.